Logical operation. Among the basic logical operations, there are logical and, logical or, and logical not. We will consider condition A and condition B. When the condition is true, it is 1. When it is false, it is 0. There is also a method to represent these using T for true, and F for false. The 0 and 1, corresponding to true or false, are called logical values. The calculation of logical values was developed by George Boole in 1854 and is called Boolean algebra. 1. Logical and logical product. This is the operation in which both conditions are true and the result is true. The logical product of A and B can be represented in ways such as A and B, and A and B. Please look at the presentation window for the symbols. The 4 combinations of true and false for A and B, and their relationships are summarized in a truth table. 2. Logical or logical sum. The operation becomes true if either or both of the 2 conditions are true. The logical OR of A and B can be represented in ways such as A or B, A or B, A or B. Please look at the presentation window for the symbols. 3. Logical not, negation. The operation where when a condition is true the result is false. When a condition is false the result is true. The negation of A is represented as an upper bar or a not symbol. Please look at the presentation window for the symbols. We have to note that the results of the logical operations are different from those of arithmetic operations, such as multiplication and addition, because the true and false conditions are applied to the logical operations. Look at the illustration and compare them. There are also XOR, exclusive OR, NAND, negative and NOR, negative OR, operations. 4. Exclusive OR, exclusive logical sum. The result of the operation becomes true only when 2 conditions A and B differ from each other. The exclusive OR of A and B can be represented in ways such as X or B. Please look at the presentation window for the symbols. 5. NAND, negative logical product. The result of the operation is the negation of the logical end. The NAND of A and B can be represented as A NAND B. Please look at the presentation window for the symbols. Six. NOR, negative logical sum. The result of the operation of the negation of logical OR. The NOR of A and B can be represented as A NOR B. Please look at the presentation window for the symbols. The basic expressions of logical operations are summarized as follows. A complex combination of AND, OR, and NOT is often used for actual situations. Because of this, The most frequently used expressions are summarized as formulas to make the logical expression simpler. You should be able to confirm the correctness of the formulas 1, 2, 9 by looking at each in the truth table. As an example, confirm De Morgan's laws in 8. Programs are usually executed under various conditions, such as when, do, or when, or do. So, it is necessary to think logically when creating a program like this. This is why it is important to have some basic knowledge of logical operations.